as in the previous video, I explained the scales of temperature without explaining absolute zero. Now I want to explain absolute zero for you, which is the point of temperature that all movement inside the object stop. It means we said that particles, they can move inside an object and the movement is changed according to the temperature. But absolute zero, which is equal to 0 of Kelvin, or it is equal to minus 273 of Celsius. At this point, the movement of all particles inside the object stop. So, but actually, this temperature is impossible. Gaining this temperature is impossible, and in laboratory, maybe we get some type of temperature which is close to 0 of Kelvin. For example, we can preserve our tissues or materials inside liquid nitrogen, which is 77 degree of Kelvin, and it's minus 196 of degrees Celsius. So gaining of 0 Kelvin or even the temperature close to it in laboratory is impossible. And after that, we have to know how we can change the degree of Celsius to Fahrenheit, or Fahrenheit to Celsius, Kelvin to Celsius, or Celsius to Kelvin. So we have an equation for changing the temperature scales. The first one, changing Celsius to Fahrenheit, you have the unknown number is temperature of Fahrenheit. So we have to write in this side, then the equation said 9/5 multiply temperature of Celsius plus 32. So as an example, for example, we have a question which said that convert 20 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay. So how we can solve this problem? We have to write temperature of Fahrenheit equal 9/5 multiply temperature of Celsius. We have 20 degrees Celsius plus 32. So temperature of Fahrenheit equal 9 multiplied by 20 is equal 120/5 plus 32. So 180 divided by 5 is equal 36 plus 32 is equal 68. So the temperature of Fahrenheit is equal 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Is it clear, dear students? So if you have any question, please be free and send to me on eSchool or by my email or my contact number, Viber groups, and everywhere that you want. To changing the temperature of Fahrenheit to Celsius, we have this equation. It is 5/9. Look, this one is 9/5. Here we have 5/9. Here we have plus 32. Here we have minus 32. Okay? For example, you have to convert convert 32 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay? So how you can convert it? You have to write the temperature of Celsius equal 5/9 multiply temperature of Fahrenheit is 32 minus 32, it's equal 5/9 multiply 0. 5/9 multiply 0 equals 0. So 32 of Fahrenheit equal 0 of Celsius. Okay, dear students, let's move to Kelvin. Uh, There's no complex equation for changing Kelvin to Fahrenheit or Kelvin to Celsius or Celsius to Kelvin. For example, if you have 100 degree, 373 of Kelvin, you have to convert it to Celsius. How you can change it? Just write 373 minus 273, it's equal 100 degrees Celsius, which is the boiling point of water. After that, if you have Celsius, you want to change to Kelvin. For example, For example, our body temperature, which is 37 degrees Celsius, you have to change to Kelvin. How you can convert it? Just write 37 plus 273 and it's equal 310 of Kelvin without degree, please. Dear students, Kelvin is without degree, and the others like Celsius and Fahrenheit, they have degree on it. This one is called degree, this one. Okay? So if you have any question, please be free and send it for me, and resolve all questions inside the section review and in math break in page 223. Solve the questions by these equations. But if you want to change the Kelvin to Fahrenheit, at first you have to change to Celsius, then to Fahrenheit. Just for remind you about that one. Thank you, dear students. Bye.